Hello! Today we draw a cup. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and please watch the full video. Yay! It's coloring time! Blue! Red. Yellow.
Hickory dickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock. The clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Light green.
The hen pecked at the clock. The clock struck 6. Oh, fiddle 6. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. 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 Hickory dickory dock.
Thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.